Well, not everything is about antique telephones, and so we got a chance to go to Las Vegas, and we really like it there because they have such great restaurants, and of course, we like to play and have fun. Well, this time we got to stay at the Cosmopolitan Hotel in a suite on the 51st floor. So this video shows you that room, plus there's an added feature at the end. That's right, a rain, lightning, and thunderstorm, and boy, is it a good one. Got a couple of great shots of some lightning there at the end. I think you'll enjoy it. So check it out.
Here we are, the Cosmopolitan. Here's when you walk in. This nice city area. You can watch TV. The closet. I like the closets because nice little sitting area here. Then over here, dual vanities, nice. Let's turn the light on. Where's the light? There we go. Love that wallpaper. It's very cool. You could use that in case you want to act like it's a slot machine and hit the handle. Then over here, which is just really fun, is the shower area. Just step in. But that's nice. Quote unquote Japanese soaking tub. Okay. So we need towels, if you want my opinion. The see-through, pass through to the Japanese soaking tub, and then come outside. Check this out. This is the Boulevard Tower overlooking the strip. Isn't that great? What kind of day it is. It's a little overcast to some degree, patchy clouds. But we'll be able to get a good view of the fountains once they start. From right there.
After getting settled in and putting our clothes up and that sort of thing, we decided to go down to the casino and try our luck. But as I mentioned with the little view of the toilet there, it was pretty much the same result. And we decided to go back up to the room to take a look at the view and watch what was going on the strip from the balcony. And I could tell that there was a heavy storm coming from the north headed the direction of the Cosmopolitan, and there were lightning strikes that were happening, and so I decided to take a couple of videos, and you can see those lightning strikes, one of which is just extremely awesome towards the end of this video. From the Cosmopolitan on the 51st floor, overlooking the strip towards the north.
Oh.